मैं दो इम्पोर्टेंट सवाल आपसे अब ट्विन फ्लेम के बारे में पूछना चाहूंगा। पहला जो मैं आपसे हल्का सा टच बेस किया था मैंने आपसे, दोबारा उस पर आता हूँ कि ये एज गैप क्यों है एंड क्या है एग्जैक्टली एज गैप, लाइक हाउ डू आई नो कि ओके दिस इज द एज गैप। एंड द सेकेंड वुड बी, ये हमारी एलजीबीटीक्यू कम्युनिटी को भी टारगेट करेगा और आपने इस पे टच बेस हल्का सा कर दिया था अभी। क्या मेरा ट्विन फ्लेम जो है वो सेम जेंडर का हो सकता है, उसको डिफरेंट जेंडर का होना जरूरी है? सो इस बारे में थोड़ा बात करते हैं।
Okay, let us first talk about the gender thing. Okay, now when it comes to twin flame dynamics, it is always about the energy that we are talking of. Gender has nothing to do with it. Okay, you can be a masculine, like a man, male gender, but your twin can also be a masculine, right? So you can be in a male body, but your twin can also be having the masculine energy, meaning you will be having the feminine energy despite being in a male body, and vice versa. Okay, so gender is not relevant here, especially those who are watching. If they are in such a dynamic where they are like in a dynamic where their twin is also of the same gender, but their energy will be different. Okay, so see it just as an energetic relationship and just ignore the gender part. Why you have to ignore it? Because the conditioning, you are here to break it. Okay, society will tell you that this kind of relationship is not acceptable. However, nowadays, like in this time, we have come to the acceptance, and a lot of talks are being done in this scenario. We have come to that age that we are no longer stereotyping it anymore. Still, there is a part of our psyche that tells us same gender relationships not acceptable. Okay, just see the energy that your twin is carrying and act as per that energy. If you see them just as your Shiva or Shakti, that's when the magic is gonna happen. And if I talk about the age thing again, the age gap originates at the time of their birth when they are incarnating in the human vessel. So if one twin's consciousness, if one twin's soul decides to go first and the other decides to go later on the earth realm, that's how the age gap comes into play. So that's the answer. Yeah.
Thank you so much for that. And I'm sure the viewers who belong to the LGBTQ community or maybe in the dilemma of finding that energy in the same gender, and whether they were confused that, okay, this is the same gender and maybe I'm getting the vibe, but this is the same gender. So you've said it so well that we have to break stereotypes.
Yes.
And we just have to feel the energy. So thank you so much on that. The other question would be, now I'm focusing on divine masculinity. It is said that they're more involved into third dimensional plane. There is one concept which says that divine masculine and alpha males are same. Is it true or what?
No, it's not true. There is a huge difference between divine masculine and alpha male. पहले alpha की बात करते हैं. Who is an alpha? Alpha is the go-getter. Okay, he wants to have everything. He wants to be the most successful, powerful, dynamic, multi-talented, multifaceted go-getter, and the world should revolve around him because he's also having those narcissistic traits in him, and everybody should validate him. Okay, and not just this, he should be the one to decide what is gonna happen with all the relationships that are in his life. That's the way of the alpha male. Huge narcissistic template is seen. Okay, this is the way of the alpha. They will manifest a lot of money in this life because they are made like that. They have been conditioned like that, but they will not be satisfied. उनकी जो भूख है ना वो बढ़ती ही जाती है, वो कभी भी रुकती नहीं है. So no matter how much they achieve, how many things they have, how many luxuries, materialistic things they can manifest in their life, they will never stop. Okay, so that goes on. The ego is driving them crazy. It drives them crazy in most of the cases. When it comes to the divine masculine, divine word को समझो क्या है. Divine is divya, okay? You are manifesting God's energy into your human vessel. You become a channel for that God's energy. That's how you become the divine masculine. और divine masculine की journey बहुत मुश्किल है. हम ये सोचते हैं कि they are always running away, okay? Running away from their twin flame dynamic, doing things in the materialistic realm. But ultimately, what's the main difference between the two? Difference is the divine intervention. God will never intervene in the life of an alpha masculine who is only driven by his ego, who does not want to change. He has no empathy in his heart. He is only a taker, he is not a giver. Divine masculine is not like that, okay? When the divine masculine is embodying his divine traits, he also becomes that giver. Okay, he will understand his own femininity as well, and in doing that he will come to the ultimate realization that now he has gathered enough. Now there is a need to stop, there is a need to smell the roses, there is a need to do something not just for himself but for the world, for the society. That is the divine masculine. Also the one who understands his feminine, like the physical feminine counterpart also, and his inner feminine also. He cherishes it. He does not shuts it down just because she is a feminine. He embodies that femininity. He cherishes it. He worships her like a goddess because he has integrated that in every cell of his being, and he has understood the role of the feminine in the world and in the history of earth itself. शक्ति का जो रोल है वो समझ में आ जाता है through the means of divine intervention. That is the divine masculine. Okay, so as you know, this is the book of divine consciousness, and it's been 2 years now since the book is in the market. It's running, it's selling. A lot of you have purchased the book. A lot of you have even told me that you are able to hear my voice through the book as you have read it so far. Okay, thank you so much for leaving your reviews on Amazon. Thank you so much for picking the book, reading it, giving it a chance. If you are on your spiritual journey, if you are struggling with your life's purpose, if you are someone who wants to know what soul is or what truth could be, what could be your life's true North Star, this is the book for you. Available on Amazon throughout the world. Go and get the Book of Divine Consciousness.